Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Snapchat Plus. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu in the top left corner. Then we tap on settings in the top right corner. Then under my account we have Snapchat Plus. We tap on this and we can tap on subscribe to subscribe to this premium version of Snapchat, and here we can start a free trial first, and then the monthly payment is around $1 or €1, or we can apply for an annual plan, and then we can just tap on start free trial, and afterwards it's the usual subscription thing that you have to fill out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.